Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Today is Monday, and as usual we're taking a look at the cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin in particular, start as usual from the monthly chart. Here we do not have any significant changes. The market is forming third in a row inside month. So this first collapse in May, and June month stands inside to this drop, and currently July also is forming inside month, not only to the May but also, as you can see, to the June by far. So we will see what the performance will be. Here is only one thing that worthy of our attention is the possible flirting with the MACD predictor. So currently with these lows that we have on the market, price has not tested it yet, but theoretically we could get the bullish grabber. So if market will test this line, turn it back up and close above it, and so will be bullish grabber, and well, at least by the technical background, it should lead to the taking out of the previous top, if it will be formed. Maybe it will happen not only in July, maybe in August, but currently the one thing that we should keep an eye on is that, as you can see, a MACD predictor line comes close to the price action, and it always potentially could become the source of the appearing of the grabbers. That's why in July and August we need to keep an eye on what will happen. Currently, on the common week, on this week, our major background stand on the lower time frame. So overall, as you can see, volatility on the market stands not very significant. That's why actually we need only daily and intraday charts. So on the daily chart, the one thing that's important, if you remember on Thursday we said that market probably has broken through the lows that were vital at that moment. So as you remember, we have talked about the lows. Here this was important for short-term bullish context, and market is broken below it, and that was said that probably it should be better to not consider taking any new longs position until there will be clarity about this lows, what the price action will be, because it was a hazard that market could proceed lower and aiming on the taking out of these lows. But with this recent new information that we have on the daily chart, take a look, we have 2 or even 3 side-by-side bullish grabbers. This has been formed here, and this one minor pattern, and all of them suggest that market should climb back to the 36 area at least. So maybe it will be more extended upward action, but grabbers suggest the taking out of this previous top. It means that in the current situation, the bearish scenario that we discussed previously, and we're waiting for some patterns where it will be formed, we have to cancel. And we are not talking about the taking a new short position until we get some clarity around the grabbers, either when they will be completed with this upward action and taking out of the 36 area, or if somehow market will turn down and drop below its lows, if the lows of the grabber will be taken out. In this case, we again could start speaking about the possible bearish context and taking the short position. Meantime, we are not considering taking any new short positions. It means that on the lower time frame, on the intraday charts, here we have got this triple to buy pattern that has been formed to this downward direction. The market has completed perfectly around the 618 support. And theoretically, if you would like to take the long position here, you could consider this most recent upwards swing and trying to get some position on some retracement with the stops against these lows. In this case, while the grabbers will be valid, you will have the bullish context, and market theoretically should climb higher. Nearest target will be the COP, the 36 of this ABC bottom pattern, stands right at the previous top. And also it's suggested by the grabbers on the daily chart that market should return back up to this area and taking out of this top and complete the COP. Ultimately, this could be AB equals CD pattern right to the 3870. In this case, market will complete some large triple to sell pattern. This is also possible. So currently we're considering upper direction, and we're not considering taking any new short positions. Here's also you could see the mighty divergences forming on the 5 time frame chart. It also suggests approximately taking out of the same area, the top between the lows right here. So in this, from that standpoint, the target of the divergence is the same as the target of the grabbers. On lower time frames on hourly chart, I do not see something really special, so maybe we could consider that market could try to form something like, as we usually watch on the market, and that is cryptocurrency forming very often in recent time. And this might be some kind of the hand and shoulders pattern. In this case, on some retracement, as I said, it might be some possibility for position taking based on this particular pattern. But currently, it's not the fact yet that particularly this pattern will be formed. Maybe some different pattern. So you anyway could watch for some fib levels that stands on this upper direction if you intend to take the long position, if you're watching for buying the cryptocurrency, buying the Bitcoin. But the most important thing that I said here is these lows. This is vital point, and you have to keep an eye on. So as closer you will take the position to these lows, all the better, because your risk in this case will be minimal. In the case of the downward breakout, the bullish context will be erased. Currently, the multiple grabbers and good response on the 5 time frame chart to the support from regardless triple to buy, well, theoretical market keeps chances on the possible upward continuation. So that's actually what we have currently on the Bitcoin market.